A higher order function is a function that takes another function as an argument or returns a function as its output. In JavaScript, we can define higher order functions using the function keyword followed by the name of our function. There are two types of higher order functions: function taking and function returning. Function taking higher order functions take another function as an argument, while function returning higher order functions return a new function. Let's create an example higher order function that takes another function as an argument. This function will return the result of the callback function. To use a higher order function, we need to pass another function as an argument. This could be a simple function like console log or a more complex function. Higher order functions provide several benefits, including code reuse, simplified logic, and improved readability. When using higher order functions, be careful not to pass the wrong function as an argument. This can lead to unexpected behavior and errors. To get the most out of higher order functions, follow these best practices. Use descriptive function names, pass only the necessary arguments, and keep your code organized. Higher order functions can be used in a variety of scenarios, such as data processing, event handling, and API requests. For more advanced developers, we can discuss topics such as currying, partial application, and higher order functions with multiple arguments. We'll answer some common questions about higher order functions, such as how do I use higher order functions with async/await, and can I use higher order functions with arrow functions? To further improve your skills, try implementing higher order functions in real-world projects and experimenting with different use cases. In conclusion, higher order functions are a powerful tool in JavaScript that can simplify complex logic and improve code readability. Remember to use them effectively by following best practices and avoiding common mistakes.